First, remove the battery from the laptop. Then remove the rubber covers from the 6 screws on the front of the screen. Then unscrew the 6 screws from the front of the screen, releasing the front plastic cover from the back plastic cover. Peel the plastic cover off the front carefully. As is brittle, you'll require a small screwdriver, and also be careful the plastic cover has sharp edges. Once you've removed the front cover, slightly bend the screen away from the back plastic cover. Then there are 6 screws, 3 in each side of the screen. Unscrew these so you can remove the screen down carefully onto the keyboard. Once carefully onto the keyboard, untape the cable and carefully remove from its socket. When removing and putting the cable into its socket, do not touch the metal contactors, and be very careful to remove with equal pressure. Once cable back in, you may want to tape the cable back down and put tape over the plug. This is electric tape, not your household tape. Now you need to put the 6 screws back in the sides. Once you put the 6 screws back in the sides, you be careful to make sure the metal bar behind the screen and in front of the plastic cover is lined up in the 2 top corners. The 2 top corners have a plastic nipple which lines the metal bar and the screen and the front cover all up together. Once all components are lined up, You only need to pop the screen back together. The plastic latches go together very easily. Make sure there's no gaps around the outside of the screen, and then you can put in the final 6 screws. Once the screws are back in, you can put on the plastic covers for the screws. Usually you don't need to glue the first time you do this. Then replace the battery and switch on, and you'll see your Samsung logo come on your new screen. All finished.